Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the code execution cannot proceed because steam_api64.dll file is not found. So first of all, what you have to do is, in order to fix that issue, we will open our web browser and I will type in steam_api64.dll and it will open dllfiles.com, and simply I will click on the top search result and then I will scroll down. I will download the zip file. Once the file has been downloaded, it will be in a zip file. So I will click on the zip file, and here is the steam.api.dll file. So what I will do, I will open a new file explorer, open the downloads folder, and then I will extract that file here. Now here's my DLL file. What I will do, I will right click the copy button. Now I will open a new tab. Now I'll go to my C drive, go to Windows, find the System32 folder, and here what you have to do is right click and click on paste button, and then paste your steam.api file here. Now once you have pasted, what you have to do is you have to go back and find in sysvow64, double click, right, and then what you have to do is paste your file once again. And once you have pasted your file, close your file explorer and then restart your computer, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can fix the code execution cannot proceed because steam_api64.dll not found. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.